You're watching Ticket TV. Like, share, and subscribe on your way in.
All right, you guys. So like, share, and subscribe as y'all tap on in, and we definitely gonna get into this one right here. As this one, ladies and gentlemen, is between a man by the name of Tyler Perry and another man by the name of Mr. Accuser, right? Mario Rodriguez. As TMZ is reporting that Tyler Perry, and if you guys remember, we did a video about this, right? We did a whole video talking about the situation. And, Mario came out and basically alleged that Tyler Perry was refusing to come and sit down and do a deposition where he would be asked questions about his sexual preferences. Now, a lot of people have been on social media over the years cooking Tyler Perry over this very topic and going in on Tyler Perry over this very topic, saying that Tyler Perry, people were saying that he's ashamed of to come out and speak out on this stuff, and he would avoid this forever. And he's gotten a lot of criticism based off the roles he's played in movies that he has, and just the things that have surrounded this whole situation. Tyler Perry has gotten a lot of flack off this, but now it's being reported that Tyler Perry has told the sexual assault accuser, "I'm not embarrassed by my sexual orientation." And this is finna get real interesting, to say the least. This is about to get real interesting right here, because, yeah, man, the dude made a lot of claims against Tyler Perry. Now, according to the reports from TMZ, it says Tyler Perry claims that his male sexual assault accuser, Mario Rodriguez, is working overtime to pressure him into a settlement. But he says that he ain't going to cave into him. Now, new legal documents filed by Tyler Perry's legal team and obtained by TMZ. Tyler Perry is firing back at this man, saying that, claiming that he won't sit down for a deposition. Now, remember, it is illegal to not sit down for a sworn deposition, and you can be, a lot of cases, criminally charged if you don't agree to sit down for a sworn deposition. These things are not what we call voluntarily. You know what I'm saying? A sworn deposition, is not voluntary. It's something that when they call you to do it, you got to do it. But it says Tyler Perry claims his male sexual assault accuser Mario Rodriguez is working overtime to pressure him into a settlement, but the famed director says he won't cave, right? And new legal documents filed by Tyler Perry's legal team and obtained by TMZ, the movie mogul fires back at Mario's claims that he won't sit down for a deposition unless Mario agrees to not ask about his sexual orientation. Now, Mario asked that Tyler Perry be sanctioned for not appearing at a deposition where he says he planned to ask Tyler if he was attracted to men, right? In his new filing, Tyler scoffs at Mario's claims about the deposition and says he's already agreed to sit down for one. He claims that Mario holds the backwards belief that he should be embarrassed to answer questions about his sexual orientation. Tyler insists that he's not embarrassed and says Mario's motion was filed to pressure him into settling the case, and he said it's not going to work. Tyler said when he turned down a multi-million-dollar settlement proposal bought by Mario, the guy turned around and filed a motion about the deposition to harm his reputation. The director said Mario's moves in court are essentially part of an effort to bully Tyler into a settlement. In his filing, Tyler said the questions Mario wanted to ask about his sexual orientation are irrelevant to the case at hand. He claimed Mario's theory would mean a man who is attracted to men is more likely to have assaulted other men, right? Which he calls a bigoted stereotype. Wow. In addition to opposing the motion, Tyler is asking the court to sanction Mario in the tune of $7,300 for abusing the discovery process. As TMZ first reported, Mario sued Tyler, right, for $77 million, alleging that the film producer sexually assaulted him, right? And that's just the Mario guy right here, right? Now, in court documents, Mario claimed that he met the director in 2015 at a gym. He said that Tyler Perry gave him a role in a 2015 film he directed and claims that over time, Tyler invited him over to his home and sexually assaulted him, right? It goes on. Mario claimed that Tyler asked him or questioned him about oral, that means giving top, before touching his beefcake. He said Tyler apologized and paid him 5 racks for the incident and alleged there was another incident in which Tyler forced Mario's hand on his nuts. Now, Tyler denies all allegations of wrongdoing. His team claimed that Mario kept talking to him over the years despite the claims that he was sexually assaulted. He said the allegations of assault only came after he refused to keep providing Mario financial assistance. So you can surmise that it seems like something may have been going on between these two guys to a major extent for this to be the word. You know, it's deep. It's definitely deep, this situation, man. But I do believe Tyler Perry is going to have to do that deposition. And the question is during that deposition, what is Tyler Perry going to be willing to ask, and what is he not willing to answer? Excuse me. You know what I'm saying? Because that lawyer's going to ask that, man. Trust me, when that lawyer gets Tyler for that deposition is going to be crazy. I've seen some wild depositions before, but I believe that deposition is going to be insane, right? And Tyler's going to have to sit down, right? So I do think they're probably going to ask. And I think that some of those things is going to be like certain types of answers that Tyler gives him if he gives him one at all, right? So that's how I see this whole situation going down that path. You guys let me know what y'all think, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all feel about this, you know? Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all click those links below. Subscribe to the podcast show. You can donate support to the channel, Cash App, PayPal, or buy that weight loss formula. All the links are below. Peace.